Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all love a good home cooked meal, but let's be real, high energy bills and power cuts can really spoil the fun. What if I told you there is a cooking solution that lets you harness the free power of the sun while still giving you the consistent high wattage performance of a modern electric cooktop? Today, we are diving deep into the future of cooking with the revolutionary the 3500-watt solar hybrid stove. This is a powerhouse designed for the modern kitchen, complete with a precise heat regulator. The heart of this system is its incredible versatility. We call it a hybrid because it intelligently pulls power from two sources, solar energy and the standard electric grid, or a large backup battery. Check out the muscle on this thing. The 3500-watt solar, that's commercial grade heat, meaning you can boil a large pot of water in minutes, perfectly seize a streak, or handle a large family meal with ease. But here is where the smart part comes in. You have three main modes. Solar priority mode. During a sunny day, the stove automatically uses the energy captured and stored from your solar panels first. You are cooking for free. Second is electric backup mode. The moment the solar power dips, maybe a cloud passes over a you are cooking after sunset, the system seamlessly switches to grid electricity or your backup battery. No interruption to your cooking hour. The third one is hybrid boost mode. Need max power fast? You can tell the stove to drop from both sources to unleash the full the 3500-watt solar output for a huge burst of heat. Power on demand. It's about sustainability without sacrificing convenience. In traditional solar cooking, controlling the heat can be a challenge. Not with this stove. This integrated regulator is a game changer. It allows you to precisely adjust the power from a gentle simmer, say a mere 100 watts, all the way up to the full. Think about it. For delicate dishes, need the milk chocolate or keep soup just warm? Dial it down to 500 or 800 watts. Perfect for a long slow simmer without burning. For everyday meals, frying eggs, boiling pasta, a mid-range of 1500 to 2000 watts does the trick, saving power while still being fast. For wok cooking or searing, that's when you crank it up to the full 350 watts for instant, intense heat, just what you need for a restaurant quality zero or stir fry. This level of variable control means you can tailor the power output exactly to your dish's needs, maximizing efficiency and ensuring perfect results every single time. So, who is this true for? Honestly, it's for everyone. The eco-conscious home, you are significantly reducing your carbon footprint and relying less on conventional power sources. The budget-savvy cook, imagine cooking your lunch entirely for free on a sunny afternoon or a year. The savings on your electric bill are huge. Power cut protection. If your area suffers from frequent power outages, this tool is an absolute lifesaver. As long as you have a charged battery from your solar panels, you can still cook the biggest meals without a hit of grid living. For cabins, tiny homes, or anyone looking for true energy independence, 3500-watt electric backup ensures you never have to compromise on your cooking standards. It provides the ultimate peace of mind, reliability, power, and sustainability, all wrapped up in one sleek appliance. The 3500-watt solar electric habit stove with the precision heat regulator is not just a gadget. It's fundamental upgrade to your kitchen and your lifestyle. It's powerful enough for professional cooking and smart enough to run on sunshine. If you are ready to start saving money, going green, and cooking with uninterrupted power, this is the technology you need to explore. Let me know in the comments what's the first 3500-watt meal you would cook on this stove. Hit that like button, subscribe for more innovative tech reviews, and check the description below for links to the incredible solar hybrid system. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.